Here we will see how Christianity is racist. The Christian missionaries propagate the idea that Christianity is a cult. It is an ideology which does not differentiate between races, between castes, between the color of skin. But we will see here very explicitly how Jesus, who was Jew, hated the Canaanites. It is the chapter number 15 of Matthew. A Canaanite woman came to Jesus. Her daughter was very much sick, and she heard that Jesus Christ has the divine power to heal the sick simply by touch. So that woman came to Jesus Christ and requested him that he should come to her daughter and cure her. But Jesus refused. On the verse number 24 of chapter number 15 of Matthew, what Jesus told to that Canaanite woman who came along with her sick daughter, that I was sent only to the lost sheep of Israel. That means he is telling that he is going to heal only to the Jews, because Jews are the sheep of Israel. He is not going to cure anyone else. Then on this woman became very much disappointed. On the verse number 25 we see that woman then knelt before Jesus Christ and told him, requested him, plead to him, O Lord, please help me. But Jesus was unmoved. He gave a very callous reply. On verse number 26 we see he replied that it is not the right to take the children's bread and toss it to the dogs. In other words, according to Jesus Christ, it was not correct, it was not just on his part that the bread, the shower of mercy which is meant for the children of Israel should also be shown to others, Canaanites, who are depicted as equivalent to dogs. Again I will read out what Jesus has told. It is not right to take the children's bread and toss it to the dogs. He is clearly comparing that Canaanite woman, the entire Canaanite race, as dogs. And he is explicitly claiming the superiority of children of Israel, the Jews, the community in which he took birth. On this, the poor woman replied, Yes, it is, Lord. And she humbly told that even the dogs eat the crumbs that fall from their master's table. So she, in effect, accepted the inferiority, accepted the status of inferiority which was labeled by Jesus Christ in the verse number 26 by saying that even the dogs, even the Canaanites, eat the crumbs that fall from their masters, means the Jews' table. Whatever Jews are eating and whatever is left out, whatever they throw to the ground, it can be grabbed, it can be cleaned, it can be devoured by Canaanites. So even the dogs eat the crumbs that fall from their master's table. This, that lady replied, and so Jesus was pleased. His racist ego was satisfied, and pleased with the humble entreaties of that Canaanite woman, he responded in the verse number 28, Woman, you have great faith. Your request is granted. Once the woman has come down, has flattened her dignity to the level of dog by accepting as such. When that woman demeaned herself to the level of dog, then Jesus is very happy, because Jesus has already told her that you are equivalent to dog, and the woman accepted. And after that, her request was granted and her daughter was healed. So this shows very clearly how racist Jesus Christ was. And what missionaries are doing in all over the places, especially in Indian subcontinent, is that showing that, you see, the Brahmins, the Pandits, the upper caste people, they are torturing, they are not treating well the low caste people, and therefore you should accept Christianity where everyone is equal. Who is equal? What Jesus is doing, what Jesus himself is behaving with the Canaan woman clearly depicts that he was very racist person. He is comparing a Canaanite woman with a dog, and Canaanite woman is accepting that. That means the prejudice was existing in the land of Israel between Jews and Canaanites people were looked down upon, and Jesus was no different. He endorses that prejudices against the Canaan people by not entertaining the Canaanite woman in the beginning, but entertaining only when that Canaanite woman has accepted, yes, I am a lowly person.